excavated by a team of archaeologists who unwittingly awaken an ancient, dormant horror, the Hellbird monstrosities.
Hey dude, let me tell what happened. Like this morning, like me and my biatch went down to this old ancient shipwreck, and we went inside. And my biatch, she knows how to speak 55 languages and translate, and so I go up to the altar deal, and there was this dead bird skeleton on top of it, and I touched it, and she goes, "No, don't do that." And I'm well, maybe it grossed her out, but she's all "That altar has curse on it. I just deciphered the pictograms on it and you just got cursed when you touched it." And I was yeah, right. But then this dead vulture started to move and stuff, and so I'm "We're out of here," and we took off and ran off the old shipwreck and got back in my car. I mean,
Oh, mommy.
For real.
Oh mommy,
dude.
oh mommy. Hurry, we must make it into those caves quickly so we can hide. The Hellbirds are coming. The Hellbirds are coming. I won't let the Hellbird monstrosities get you. Grab my hand, little darling, and we will run and hide in the caves until they have flown
Summers,
away.
you ask me what on earth they are. I'll tell you. They are some kind of ancient vultures, some kind of cursed birds hell-bent on destroying mankind. Who knows? Maybe it is nature's revenge against mankind for trashing the environment. We have disrespected the earth for thousands of years. Maybe the earth is finally fighting back.